Slides is a super versatile presentation tool, and we're just going to go through a couple of the basic functions here. So in order to create a slide, you can go to slides.new and it automatically populates a Google slide, which can be found in your Google Drive, or you can go to slides.google.com. Now pull up these Google Slides. These are all the Google Slides that you have access to at some point, and they've got some templates in here as well. I'm just going to open up a brand new Google Slide. Boom, we've created a slide. It's number one on our checklist. If you want to add more slides to your presentation over here, you can click this little plus button. It's just going to add a new slide here. You can change what type of slide that is by right-clicking and coming down to Apply Layout. You've got all of these other options. Very nice. Or you can click this little drop-down arrow and find those options and say, I want to use this big number. Very descriptive. If you have a bunch of slides, this is an example, and you just want a whole bunch of those things, fun little trick is instead of hitting Control-C, Control-V, Control-C, Control-V, or right-clicking and hitting copy and right-clicking and hitting paste, you just go Control-D as in dog, or more importantly, duplicate. D. Pretty sweet, huh? So that's how to add a new slide or to duplicate it. If you want to do some quick changing on your theme over here, you'll see like automatically you have all of these just kind of built-in themes for Google Docs, which is super nice. Say you accidentally closed out of that, you can just find your themes right here in this top bar. And I want my theme, this is a nice clean looking theme, and look at that, automatically changes everything for me. Super nice. It's not always really clean on the transition there, so you might have to clean some things up in terms of size of text. It's always a good idea to pick your theme before you actually start editing anything. If you would like to find the theme somewhere else and import that, you've got that little import theme option here. Slides Carnival is my favorite resource for this. These are all free. You can grab those and import those into your presentation. I can show you how to do that if you would like. If you want to change the background of a slide, so this is always a good idea because when I do presentations, I like to have a black background because it takes up the entire space of the screen, which is super nice. You can just click on background here. You can add that to your entire theme so it goes everywhere. You don't like that you did that, hit Control-Z and undo, or you can right-click and change your background here. And then commenting. If you watch the Google Docs video, you know that you can have that commenting feature in there. It is also here as well. That is kind of what makes Google products Google, is their interactivity in that cloud-based environment. Highlight anything, and notice you don't have the little bubble, floating bubble over here. You have this commenting feature again up here, and you can add comments. Boom. Any other slides questions? Just let me know.